G'day! In today's video I've got a Dell XPS P92F and I want to open this one up to do a thermal paste replacement on it and hopefully a dust blowout as well. I'm going to use a T5 screwdriver to remove the existing screws that are in here. Don't know what the size difference of these screws may be, so I'll point them out along the way. Back screw, no, I was wondering if that would take that out. No. Sometimes when you undo the back screws, it lifts the back cover up, but that does not look to be doing it in this instance. So far all these screws seem to be identical. Now, I'm not sure which way is going to be the best way to open this. Open up just slightly. Get in between the seam of the keyboard and the back. I'm going to put that in there and hopefully twist. Just enough to put a pry tool in. Oh, we are very stubborn. Oh, that just popped. Brilliant. Oh, we're turning on. Turn off machine. Good old flip to open. Feature I'm not a fan of. Whew. Yeah, just a bit of dust. I don't know where this came from. Put that off to the side for now. But yeah, this is an extremely dusty machine. Also, it's a flipped machine, so presumably all the cooling is on the other side. No flipboard, this is going to take a while. I'll start off with the air compressor. I'll be right back. Now, I did have a crazy amount of dust come out of there. And what I thought here was the cooler. I believe it's actually a vapor chamber. So with this, I'm going to disconnect the battery first, once I figure out where its connection is. Maybe over here. Pull this tab up. That feels very battery-like. So I'll disconnect that. Luckily enough, what have I got? Standard Phillips head screws. Amazing. Just taking them out in any order willy-nilly. I'll probably give this a bit more of a dust blowout. And then a thermal paste to replace. This is pretty darn solid. There we go. Lift that over. We are very dry. And still fairly dusty. Now, this is all fairly dry. As I say that, none of it leaves. A bit of a soak of isopropyl alcohol. Got the Intel chip and the NVIDIA chip, I'm assuming. Don't actually know what ones they are exactly, but Nevertheless, that is them. Go. I'm going to use some GD900. Mix up before getting it out of the pot. Ooh, one down. Got a little bit too much on there. There we go. Now from here, I should better flip this back over. Line up most of those holes. Push down. One. Two. Just going to follow the screw pattern. 3. 4. 5. 6. 7. Next up I need to reconnect the battery over here. I want to forget it. There we go. And also I did find out where that bit came off from earlier, which was over here. And some T7000 adhesive. And so it should continue its life living. go. Now, there's where I left it. Back to front. It's a matter of just using those T5 screws and go all around the machine once more and put them all back into position. So I hope this helps with your Dell XPS or Dell XPS 9700 series. Also known as on the model here is the P92F. I'm going to continue putting these screws back in and I'll see you guys later for now. So I hope that helps. Hopefully, like this one here, you can reduce your thermal throttling and temperatures by quite a lot by giving it a bit of a dust blowout and a thermal paste replace. Bye.